Tragedy in Meru. Catholic nun arrested for alleged murder of elderly colleague. Meru County, Kenya. The Catholic Church in Kenya is reeling from a shocking incident that has sent shockwaves through the religious community. A Catholic nun has been arrested in connection with the alleged murder of her 65-year-old colleague, whose body was discovered in suspicious circumstances at a children's home in Meru County. The victim, Sister Anselmina Karimi, who served as the head of the Meru Children's Center before her death, was allegedly murdered on the night of Saturday, October 11, 2025. Her body was discovered the following day, Sunday, October 12th, lying on her back in the dining room of her residence within the Children's Center in Gibeon. Discovery and investigation. The grim discovery revealed disturbing details. Sister Karimi was found bleeding from the ears, nose, and mouth, with investigators suspecting she had been struck on the head with a blunt object. The deceased was last seen at her house around 10 p.m. on Saturday, and her mobile phone, which remains missing, was switched off at 11 p.m. What makes this case particularly troubling is the evidence, suggesting a cover-up. Forensic analysis indicated that the murder occurred elsewhere before the body was moved back to her home. Additionally, the suspected crime scene appeared to have been cleaned, raising serious concerns about tampering with evidence. Prior warnings. Perhaps most chilling was the revelation that family members had been informed earlier by Sister Karimi that her life was in danger. These warnings prompted family members to raise the alarm and report the matter to police following the discovery of her body. The suspect. The main suspect in this case is a fellow nun who had recently been transferred to the Meru Children's Center. Imenti East Police Commander Adano Abkila confirmed the arrest of the suspect, who is now in custody. Detectives from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, Crime Research and Intelligence Bureau have taken over the investigation. They are analyzing the suspect's phone records to trace her movements and communications during the critical hours surrounding the murder. The suspect was expected to be arraigned in court on Tuesday, October 14th, as investigations continue. Forensic examination. Police officers who visited the scene removed the body and transported it to the mortuary pending a post-mortem examination and other necessary procedures. The autopsy is expected to provide crucial evidence about the exact cause of death and the nature of the assault. A pattern of violence? This tragic incident comes just weeks after another disturbing case involving Catholic nuns in Kenya. A video surfaced online showing a nun affiliated with the Franciscan Sisters of Asambai physically assaulting a younger colleague in front of staff members. Despite the victim's protests, the senior nun continued to slap her repeatedly while hurling insults. The Superior General of the Franciscan Sisters of Asambai, Sister Mary Aching, condemned that incident as deeply regrettable and confirmed that the congregation launched internal procedures to address the matter. Human rights lawyer Catherine Apondo commented on the viral clip, saying it revealed a troubling pattern within religious institutions, where abuse cases are often handled privately rather than subjected to legal scrutiny. While acknowledging the Church's right to manage its affairs spiritually and administratively, she emphasized that acts of violence must also be treated as matters of law and justice. Community in shock. The alleged murder of Sister Karimi has left the Catholic community in Meru and across Kenya in a state of shock and disbelief. The incident raises serious questions about safety within religious institutions and the mechanisms in place to address threats and conflicts among members of religious orders. As investigations continue, authorities are working to uncover the motive behind this tragic killing and to ensure that justice is served for Sister Anselmina Karimi, who dedicated her life to serving vulnerable children at the Meru Children's Center. The case serves as a somber reminder that violence can occur even in places traditionally considered sanctuaries of peace and spiritual devotion, and underscores the importance of transparency and accountability in all institutions, including religious ones.